Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show how to using Bing Chat in Windows 11. Yes, we know Microsoft has released Bing Chat and it's look like open ChatGPT and it's look like two part AI from Google. Now I want to show how to using it on Windows 11. You can access it very simply by clicking this icon. Yes, this icon for Bing Chat, but the first you need internet connection to use it. Okay, we try the first time. We click Bing Chat. Yes, this is the look from Bing Chat. Okay, welcome to the new Bing. This is integrated with ChatGPT. Look like this. You can use on the window. You can just mode or style conversation, more creative, more balance, more precious. The first time I want to ask yes, what it is what it is. So you can use like this, then enter. Now we waiting for the answer from Bing Chat. It is automatically from EA, and now I was the answer like this is Bing. I am a chat more of Microsoft Bing source, and you can see what the desktop is. We can try to tell me a jokes is or what is the weather like in New York. Okay, we can try it. Automatically searching for weather New York. It's good. That's the answer like this. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's too complete. Whoa, whoa. Okay, good. Nice. This is for information for 1 week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's good. You can try with this type, or you can use Microsoft Edge. Yes, Microsoft Edge like this. You can access. You can click Bing Chat on here or here. You can see like this. Welcome back. Yes, you can communication with this site. Okay, you can ask anything, and it will be answered from Bing Chat. I think enough for this video. Thanks for watching, and we can see you later on other video.